Got it. Get him. He's digging. Stay out of the drive unit. Do not go in my drive unit.
Here's your shot.
Holy fucking fish, bud.
I'm Sean Ritter. I love the outdoors, hunting, fishing. I work a hectic, not traditional job, and I love being a dad. This is my outdoor journey and how I manage my time. I'm here to help you rethink your time and join me, Return to Wild.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out fishing on a small lake in southeastern Wisconsin. I'm doing a little bass fishing. We've got a couple of dinks all ready to start the day. So we're hoping to find some bigger ones. I've seen them roaming around, kind of flipping towards some docks. It seems that right now, the old weightless wacky rig is the ticket. So I see some of these scattered weed beds in here too, so I'm working right on the edges of these. That's what I'm trying to do today. Straighten yourself out a little bit. Got him. Just a little guy. Not bad though. Wacky worm. Doing the trick. Off you go, boy. All right, so you want a quick little walk through what we're doing here. I've got my main line tied onto, there's the old uni. It's sloppy, I don't care, the fish aren't gonna see it, I just didn't bite it off. And then just a regular hook. This is actually like an offset pink hook, snelled onto there. If you don't know how to tie a snell knot, it's super, super easy. And then I've just got my tackle bag here. I'm gonna try and step it up a little bit bigger and go with it. So I know you can do the wacky rigs, you can put the little ring thing on and put the hook through. I just kind of balance on my hand and go, that looks good, and run the hook right into it. There you go. There's your wacky rig. Drop it. Toot, toot, toot. So let's get back to fishing. See that. All right. Keep moving along. Seen a couple of decent sized ones kind of roaming the sand, but can we get them to eat? Seems all the dinks want part of the action. Let me see. There's the weed edge. It's kind of right there. And there's some sand on the other side. So I'm just tossing the wacky just literally on the edge, and the weeds run like corner to corner here of this dock. So I'm just letting it drop. Rudder here to kind of steer me. Shake, shake. Closer. You got it? Get him. Got him. Keep digging. Stay out of the drive unit. Do not go in my drive unit. And that, keep him in the water. Wacky rig gets it done again. Short, but I mean, again, shows good for the future of this lake. Out. Get back at it. I mean, the water is so clear on this lake. It's awesome. Just a lot of sand, a couple of scattered weed beds, but it's so clear you can almost just completely sight fish the whole time. Shameless plug, something I just started using too that I actually am all a big fan of when it comes to days on the water fishing. You don't want to drink a ton because obviously you don't want to go to the bathroom a bunch while you're out on the water. It's liquid IV. This stuff makes you more hydrated, not associated with them, not selling them, no commission, nothing. I just thought I'd tell you about it. It's really cool. It's a way to make sure you stay well hydrated on the water without drinking a lot and having to go to the bathroom a lot, because that is such a bummer. So just simply mix it with some water. If you had a bottled water, just put it in your bottle, shake it up, and that's it. Way to stay hydrated. It's break time. Different flavors, by the way. This is a watermelon. It tastes good too. Lemon lime. They have a strawberry. Another pretty good flavor too if you want to check them out. Liquid IV. Oh. In the weeds. He's in the weeds. Oh, he got off. That's all right. And he got my worm. That's okay. It's a little sandy here. We're gonna head back out to the edge of the weeds there. And if you're looking, you can see the red strap across my bow. It's coming out, wondering what that is. I actually explained that in a full walkthrough of my boat, which is also posted on the channel if you want to check that out. Sometimes, just getting out on the edge of this kind of scattered weeds, you can almost look down and kind of pitching and flipping basically right into holes in these weeds and get some fish that way. Is a slower, more methodical way of fishing. Definitely not the way that I like to fish or usually would fish, but it's something I've definitely been teaching myself, and a technique I've added to the arsenal just because of how deadly it can be, especially, you know, this time of year. So, I mean, that just looks in the water. I mean, that just looks. It sinks. So pretty. Got one. Oh, might have one. Shake it. He tapped it. Oh, that explains it. 2 bluegills come out chasing it. It's amazing to see bluegills try and attack, you know, a big stickworm like that. So again, I'm just letting it sit. Take a drink of water, whatever you gotta do to slow yourself down. And give it time, and then I just kind of slowly twitch as I'm bringing it up. They'll either take it then, or if you let go and let it drop again a little bit, they'll take it on that next drop. That was terrible. Actually, I can see into that. There's none in there. Oh, sweaty, hot. We are off the lake. That was an awesome day. Caught quite a few fish. They were all short, but fish are fish. It's fun catching. It doesn't matter the size of them. So if you're not a person, like I haven't been for a long time, that believes in the wacky rig, tossing at docks, man, I got schooled. So I guess I'm putting the shaky head away and going weightless, wacky worm. Till next time, have a safe and successful week. And we'll catch you on the next one. I feel like I should do that, like, catch thing. It's just awkward. All right, and my hair. Wow, I gotta go, y'all.